Hey Bottom Bumpers, what's on the hook today? We're not actually fishing. We're doing a little something different. We're doing a giveaway. So, first thing that we're giving away is one of my BLP hats and an L&L hat. L&L, it's a store it's in Jay, Oklahoma. We're giving away an orange L&L hat. So now we're on to the baits. We're giving away some black-red brush hogs. And we're giving away this rattle trap. And we're giving away this crankbait, this little crankbait. I'll take the price tag off so it's not in your way. I hate when price tags are right in your way. It sucks. Now you can see the face a little better. Yeah, that crankbait. And we're giving away some of these Super Chuck green pumpkin. I'll just tell you, they're a great jig trailer. Just hook them on the back of your jig. You don't have to work them like you're putting on a Seaco. Just kind of put them on the back of your jig. They're a really good one. Zoom. We're giving away some of these, and we're giving away some of these black blue flake craw flaky, I think. And by the way, if you heard of the red crest that went on about a month or two, Bobby Lane won it, and Bobby Lane uses these, so you might want to get them. I'm just saying. And we're giving away some of these hooks. All those baits I just gave away to you were donated by L&L. So if you wanna enter this giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. And also tell your friends that there's a giveaway coming on. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.